You see the use of Jamaican proverbs or sayings. They play an important role in communicating messages by Jamaicans, Yes, man. They are often injected into everyday conversations, and they are very handy when one needs to summarize an emotion or a particular situation, getting right to the point in the only way that Jamaicans can. Yeah, man. And there is always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. Bucket with hole a battam have no business a riverside. You hear me? Of course, the English translation would be, a bucket with a hole has no business by the riverside. In other words, you cannot be mindful of other people's business when in truth your situation is no better than theirs. You can't be criticizing and becoming overly concerned or disturbed and make a mockery of someone else's affairs when you are in the same predicament. No, sir. You don't take up people's business by your head and you are ill-equipped to even handle it. Because guess what? You carry bucket go a riverside, but for your bucket have hole in there. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.